Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the beginners out there who want to achieve a small waist, lose love handles, and get a slim waistline. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking for some effective exercises, this video is for you. Let's dive into the tips and workouts that will help you on your way to a small waist. Tip number 1. Focus on nutrition. Achieving a small waist is not just about exercise, it also requires a healthy diet. Incorporate whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your meals. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive calorie intake. Exercise 1. Standing side crunches. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and place your hands lightly behind your head. Slowly bend to the side, contracting your oblique muscles. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions on each side. Exercise 2. Russian twists. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and your feet lifted slightly off the floor. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Twist your torso to the right and touch the ground with your hands, then twist to the left. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions on each side. Tip number 2. Incorporate cardiovascular exercises. Cardio workouts help burn calories and reduce overall body fat, including around the waist. Engage in activities like running, cycling, swimming, or high-intensity cardio classes to elevate your heart rate and boost fat burning. Exercise 3. High knee march. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lift one knee up towards your chest while simultaneously swinging the opposite arm forward. Alternate legs and arms in a marching motion, aiming for a quick pace. Perform this exercise for 1 minute to get your heart rate up. Exercise 4. Jumping rope. Grab a jump rope and start jumping with both feet together, keeping a steady rhythm. If you don't have a jump rope, mimic the motion with your arms and jump in place. Perform this exercise for 1 minute to elevate your heart rate and burn calories. Tip number 3. Include strength training. Building lean muscle mass can help improve your overall body composition and sculpt your waistline. Incorporate strength training exercises into your routine to tone and strengthen your core and waist muscles. Exercise 5. Plank. Start in a push-up position, then lower your forearms to the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engaging your core. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for 30 seconds to start and gradually increasing the duration as you progress. Exercise 6. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring one knee towards your chest while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring the opposite elbow towards the knee. Alternate sides in a cycling motion, focusing on engaging your core. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions on each side. Tip number 4. Adopt waist-friendly lifestyle habits. In addition to exercise and nutrition, certain lifestyle choices can help you achieve a small waist. Habit 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps maintain proper digestion, reduces bloating, and keeps your body functioning optimally. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day. Habit 2. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, including those responsible for appetite regulation and fat storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight loss goals. Habit 3. Manage stress levels. High levels of stress can lead to increased cortisol production, which is associated with weight gain, especially around the waist. Find stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or spending time with loved ones. Tip number 5. Incorporate waist-friendly foods. Certain foods can help reduce bloating and inflammation, promoting a smaller waist. Include foods like leafy greens, cucumbers, watermelon, ginger, and green tea in your diet to support your waist shrinking goals. Tip number 6. Focus on proper form. When performing waist-targeting exercises, it's crucial to maintain proper form to effectively engage the targeted muscles. Take your time to understand the correct posture and technique for each exercise to maximize their benefits. Exercise 7. Side plank. Start by lying on your side, resting on your forearm, and stacking your feet on top of each other. Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position for 30 seconds on each side, focusing on engaging your oblique muscles. Exercise 8. Wood choppers. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold a weight or medicine ball with both hands. Start with the weight above one shoulder, then twist your torso and bring the weight diagonally across your body, ending at the opposite hip. Repeat this motion for 12 to 15 repetitions on each side. Tip number 7. Stay consistent. Building a small waist takes time and effort. Stay consistent with your workouts, nutrition, and lifestyle habits to see significant changes over time. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Tip number 8. Allow for rest and recovery. Giving your body adequate rest is essential for muscle repair and growth. Include rest days in your workout routine to prevent overtraining and allow your waist muscles to recover. Tip number 9. Track your progress. Keep a record of your measurements, take progress photos, or keep a journal to track your waist shrinking journey. Seeing your progress can motivate you to stay on track and celebrate your achievements along the way. Tip number 10. Embrace a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences, celebrate small victories, and stay focused on your journey towards a smaller waist. A positive mindset can make a world of difference. And there you have it. Additional tips, exercises, and lifestyle habits to help you on your path to a small waist, losing love handles, and achieving a slim waistline. Remember, consistency, proper form, and a positive mindset are key to your success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and wellness content. Share your progress and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and keep up the hard work. With dedication and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to achieving your dream waistline. Stay motivated, stay determined, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!